place is so big and colorful.
Yes, Leo, it looks fun and full of energy.
Today is about enjoying the day together.
Can we try all the rides?
We will try many, but step by step.
First rule, stay together and stay safe.
I promise I will not run too far. Dad, this slide looks very high.
It looks scary, but it is safe.
You can watch us first if you want.
No, I want to be brave today.
That's my boy. I'll go with you.
Okay, holding your hand makes me feel strong.
This pool feels like the sea.
The waves are soft and fun.
Life is like waves, sometimes calm, sometimes wild.
But we can float if we don't panic.
Exactly. Staying calm helps everywhere.
I feel tired, but happy.
That means you are enjoying yourself.
Ice cream break time!
Best idea ever!
Small breaks make big days better.
Can we stay a little longer?
Yes, memories are worth the time.
Ah! I'm getting wet again!
That is the best part of a water park.
Look at you smiling so big.
I wish every day felt like this.
Not every day can be special, but special days stay in our hearts.
I don't want this day to end!
Good days end, but good memories stay forever.
And we will remember today for a long time.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Thank you for making it fun.
Family time is the best time.
Happiness is not in places. It is in moments shared with family.